Hi everyone, it's Franz here. So 10 days back today, I decided that I'm gonna do a 30-day challenge where I do 100 burpees a day. And it's been a tough challenge, and I'm only 10 days in it. But I wanted to share with you guys what I've learned so far. So it's not just a challenge where you're challenging your fitness. Yes, it's got to do with fitness, and if you're not used to burpees, like I wasn't used to burpees. It's gonna be a hard thing to do. You're in it like with your first 10 to 30 burpees and you feel like I've got this, but at last 30 burpees is what actually makes or breaks you. What I've learned actually out of the challenge was that yes, it's fitness related, but it also works on your consistency. And believe it or not, consistency is the game changer in life. If you're not working on things consistently, it's gonna stay where you picked it up. And this is what this challenge actually learned me. It didn't like learn me how to do burpees or how to get through burpees the fastest way, or you improved my fitness. Okay, maybe it improved my fitness, but it actually learned me on how to work consistently on something, even on days where I was tired, or like yesterday was Sunday, I wasn't in a mood of doing it. I stood up and I did it. And that's the game changer, that you need to work on things consistently to get through it. It doesn't take long. It's about between 13 and 20 minutes. So then you're done. I think my quickest time was between 12 and 13 minutes. I didn't really check it, but that was my fastest time. And then my longest time was 20 minutes. But on that day I was so stiff and sore that I took longer to get through it. And then that's all it is. So if you're looking onto bringing anything in your life, this challenge will definitely help you, because it's going to learn you how to tackle consistency. So if you're up for this challenge, do it. Tag me in it. And I would also like to know from you guys, what challenge would you like me to do next?